All right, let's talk about scheduling your midterm and final exams for the class. Your midterm and final exam are the two exams that must be proctored and taken in person at our GCC testing center. So you must make an appointment. Appointments are first come, first serve, so make sure you schedule your appointment early so you're guaranteed the day and the time that you want. There is an exam testing window where your exam must be taken in that time period. I suggest, for example, if your exam is due on March 6th, that you take it early, maybe March 5th at the very latest. That way you have a 24-hour grace period in case there's any issues. You can communicate with me and we can figure that out within the 24-hour period. So, making an appointment with the GCC Testing Center. You can check their website or the hours here for updated hours. You must schedule an appointment by simply calling the phone number and scheduling the day and the time that you'd like. For your midterm and final exam, I've scheduled or allotted you 2.5 hours to take the test. There's a little bit of time for you to check in, and all exams must be completed 10 minutes before closing. So I suggest you make your appointment 3 hours before closing time. Please make sure, like I said, that you schedule your exam early so you get the day and the time that you'd like. When you come to the testing center to take your exam, make sure that you bring your GCC ID, or at least a valid ID, and your student ID number. Make sure that you bring your approved calculator and a pencil. Those are the only items you'll be allowed to use on your midterm and final exam. So as soon as you're ready, make sure that you call the number, make your appointment so that you can take your midterm and final exam before it's due. Let me know if you have any questions.